And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Temperatures this afternoon, we're running about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. But pretty soon, we're going to be talking about temperatures running 20 degrees above normal. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Our normal high is 24. Tomorrow we're going to be right around 40. We'll see lower 40s Thursday and Friday, and then mid 40s by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday. So yes, a big time January thaw is on the way. Right now we are looking at widespread 30s across northeast Wisconsin. The temperature has already dropped down to 32 degrees in Sturgeon Bay and Ephraim, where we have some locally dense fog right now. It's 34 in Oshkosh, and we've got 35 degrees in Shawano. And those are the type of temperatures we're going to be looking at as we head through the rest of the evening and into the early morning hours. Now, along with temps in the lower to mid 30s, you can see we've got some fog and some drizzle here in Green Bay. We're also looking at some fog here in Appleton. The temperature is 34 degrees, and that fog, as I mentioned, is locally dense in a couple of spots. Visibility is down to a quarter of a mile right now in Ephraim, Sturgeon Bay, and also in Appleton. Off to the north and west, visibilities are starting to increase as some drier air starts to work in, and that will eventually work in later on tonight into tomorrow morning. Still looking at some pockets of light rain showers and drizzle from about Shawano south and east. North and west, drier weather pushing into the northwestern part of the state. We have a weak trough of low pressure that is now making its way across central and southern Wisconsin. Kind of the final part of the storm that brought us the freezing rain last night into this morning. Meanwhile, high pressure is going to try to build in later on tonight and into tomorrow, scouring out the clouds. But right now, based on everything I've looked at, it looks like the clouds will hold tough for most of tonight. But as we move through tomorrow morning, and especially by tomorrow afternoon, look for lots of sunshine. With the sunshine coming out, temperatures are going to climb. We'll see lower 30s tomorrow morning across most of the viewing area. That's why we're going to have iciness out there once again. But as we move into the afternoon with that sunshine and a gusty southwest wind, look for high temperatures to be in the upper 30s to lower 40s, even warmer weather as we head into Thursday. Many spots getting up into the lower and mid 40s by the middle of the afternoon. So we've reached the halfway point of winter. How are we doing so far? Well, December was warm. As of today, we are exactly at normal. At the midpoint here of January. We'll have to wait and see what February holds, but January is going to warm up. As you just saw, the next 7 days on the temp trend, way above normal for this time of year. We're going to have a mild Pacific flow developing across just about the entire country, and that will continue as we head into the middle part of next week. So your forecast for tonight calls for fog and drizzle early, then some drier air will start to work in, but the clouds will hold for most of the night. Lows will be mainly in the lower 30s. Tomorrow, a few leftover clouds early, then turning mostly sunny. It's going to be breezy and warmer. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 40. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Double Portion in Menasha. We did that today. I forecast 37. The actual high was 36, which means I've now hit 52 of the last 55 3-degree guarantee forecast. Sunshine will give way to increasing clouds on Thursday. Look for highs in the lower to possibly mid 40s. And then another big system slowly makes its way across the upper Midwest for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday and Tuesday. It's a slow mover, and we're going to be on the warm side of it, which means we're going to be looking at periods of rain or showers and a lot of fog as the snow melts. Temperatures will be in the 40s, about 15 to 20 degrees above normal for mid to late January.
Big changes.
Big changes, and when you look out your window, you're going to see some big changes as well as that snow starts to disappear, and in some cases completely disappears.
That'll be nice for the ice, but I'd rather keep the snow. If we
Yeah.
could do something there, I would do it.
The good with the bad.
Thanks, Cameron. Well, still ahead at 5, how security measures hope to stop any surprises planned for Donald